Morning, all of you. Welcome to digital online classes once again. So you have remember we have just discussed a number of questions in mathematics paper 2A. Today also is the continuation of the previous class. So we have discussed a number of questions. Chapter is theory of equation. Today also it is a continuation of the previous class. Now write down a question. Find the polynomial equation. Find the polynomial equation whose roots are, find the polynomial equation whose roots are 3, 2, 1 plus I and 1 minus I. Right? So what is given? 4 roots are given. So we have to find a polynomial equation. Okay. Now write down the solution. Let the roots are alpha is equal to 3, beta is equal to 2, gamma is equal to 1 plus I and some delta is equal to 1 minus I. So my purpose is I have to find a polynomial equation. Therefore, f of x is equal to therefore let the polynomial equation is f of x is equal to x minus alpha to x minus beta to x minus gamma to x minus delta, which is equal to x minus alpha. What is alpha? 3. What is beta? 2. Right? What is gamma? X minus of 1 plus I and into x minus delta 1 minus I. Okay. Now, if I multiply these two equations, what happened? X square minus 2x minus 3x minus into minus plus 3 to the 6. Now, I am opening this x minus 1, that is si x minus 1 minus into minus plus I. So, you may see that it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So, we can use that formula, that is a square minus b square, which gives me x square minus 5x plus 6 into, it is the form of a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square, that is I square, minus plus minus I square, or which gives me x square minus 5x plus 6 into, if I expand this, x square plus 1 minus 2x minus of I square is nothing but minus 1 and it becomes plus 1. So, which gives me x square minus 5x plus 6 into x square plus 2 minus 2x. Now, these are the two quadratic terms. If you multiply them, you will get a 4-degree equation. So, I am doing the same thing here. I am multiplying this x square into this x to the power of 4, x square into this 2x square, x square into this 2x cube. Now, opening with this minus 5x cube, minus 5 into 2, that is minus 10x. So, minus into minus is plus 5 to the 10x square. Then, opening with this 6x square, then 6 to the 12, minus 6 to the 12x. Okay. Now, on simplifying, this is nothing but x4 is only one term, minus 5x cube minus 2x cube is nothing but minus 7x cube. 2x square plus 10, 12 plus 6, 18. x square minus 12x minus 10x is nothing but minus 22x. Now, how many constants are there? Only one constant, it is 12. So, my answer is x to the power of 4 minus 7x cube plus 18x square minus 22x plus 12, right? So, this is the polynomial equation. So, you can write it, therefore, the polynomial equation is, therefore, this is your conclusion, therefore, polynomial equation is to the power of 4 minus 7x cube plus 18x square minus 22x plus 12 is equal to 0. सवाल क्या दिया देखिए, एक कसी रुकनी मसवात मालूम करो जिसकी रेशियो 3 to 1 plus i और 1 minus i है. चार रेशियो दे दिया है तो हमको क्या करना है, कसी रुकनी मसवात मालूम करना है. क्या कर रहे हैं हम, फर्ज करो मसवात की रेशियो है अल्फा इज इक्वल टू 3, बीटा इज इक्वल टू 2, गामा इज इक्वल टू 1 plus i और डेल्टा इज इक्वल टू 1 minus i. अब क्या लिखिए, फर्ज करो कसी रुकनी मसवात होती है f of x minus i माइनस अल्फा माइनस बीटा माइनस गामा x माइनस डेल्टा. अल्फा की प्लेस पे 3, बीटा की प्लेस पे 2, गामा की प्लेस पे 1 plus i और डेल्टा की प्लेस पे 1 minus i. ओके, ये दोनों को ओपन कर लिए तो आंसर ये आ गया. इसको ओपन करें तो क्या आ गया, x minus 1 माइनस इंटू प्लस माइनस i, तो x minus 1 माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस i. तो दिस इज नथिंग बट x स्क्वायर माइनस 5x plus 6. ये a माइनस b इंटू a प्लस b की सूरत में है, जो होता है a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर, दैट इज x माइनस 1 होल स्क्वायर माइनस a स्क्वायर. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करता आ गया x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 माइनस 2x माइनस i स्क्वायर की जरूरत होती है माइनस 1, तो माइनस 2 माइनस प्लस, ये बन गया x स्क्वायर माइनस 2x माइनस 1 plus 1 is 2. तो दिस आर टू क्वाड्रेटिक टर्म्स है, दोनों को ज़रब दिए तो 4 डिग्री वाली मसावत आई. तो ये हमारी थी कसी रुकनी मसावत. ठीक है. नाउ write down the next question. Find the polynomial equation whose roots are the translates of the equation x to the power of 4 to the power of 5 minus 4 x to the power of 4 plus 3x square minus 4x minus 6. 3x square minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0 by minus 3. X to the power of 5 minus 4x4 plus 3x square minus 4x plus 6 by minus 3. ठीक है. क्या पूछ रहा हूँ, एक कसी रुकनी मसावत मालूम करो जिसकी है मसावत की रेशियो x5 minus 4x4 plus 3x square minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0, 3 से कम है. ठीक है. तो this problem we will do by the division method, right? Now write down the solution. Let f of x is equal to x to the power of 5 minus 4x4 plus 3x square minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0, right? So this is the given equation. Now we are applying synthetic division method, right? And the root is given as minus 3, right? Now what is given? Minus 3. So what we have to write? If it is given minus 3, you have to write here 3. Now write down the coefficients. Okay, what is the coefficient of xy? 1, then minus 4, then there is no 3, so put 0 for the, in place of that. Then coefficient of x square is 3, coefficient of x is 4 plus 6. Okay, you just write down the coefficients of the given equation, that is 1 minus 4, there is no x cube term, 0, 3 minus 4 plus 6. Okay, now put a horizontal line, put 0 here. Now subtract 1 minus 0 is 1. Now multiply this 1 into 3 is 3. So minus 4 plus 3 is nothing but minus 1. Minus 1 into 3 is nothing but minus 3. So 0 minus 3 is nothing but minus 3. Multiply minus 3 into this, minus 9. Minus 9 plus 3 is equal to minus 6. Minus 6 is to be multiplied with 3, minus 18. Then minus 18 minus 4 is nothing, minus 22. Multiply minus 22 with 3, it is nothing but minus 66. So if you simplify this, this become is nothing but minus 6. So put it in a box here. Is it clear? Now then again put a horizontal line. Put 0 here. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 3 is a 3. Minus 1 plus 3 is plus 2. Okay. 2 3 is a 6. 6 minus 3 is plus 3. 3 3 is a 9. 9 minus 6 is nothing but 9 minus 6 is nothing but plus 3. So 3 3 is a 9. So again 12 minus 9 is 3. So this is nothing but your minus 13. Now put again a horizontal line here. Put a 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 3 is a 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 3 is a 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 3 is a 54. 54 plus 3 is nothing but 57. Put a horizontal line here. Again 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 3 is a 3. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 3 is a 24. Now 24 plus 18 is nothing but 8 plus 4, 12, that is 42. So again put 0 here. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 3 is a 3. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. So your required equation is, therefore required equation is, you have to write from bottom to, top. That is x to the, here what is the coefficient? What is the number? 1. So that is x to the power of 5. X to the power of 5 plus 11 to the power of 4 plus 42 x cube plus 57 x square minus 13x minus 60 is equal to 0. Right? So this is also an important question according to the examination point of view. ठीक है, क्या करना है देखिए, पहले कोएफिशिएंट्स के जरिए लिखना है। x to the power of 5 minus 4x4 plus 3x square minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0 दिया। इसके मसाद क्या है, 3 से कम है बड़ा होना रेशे। तो क्या करें, फर्स्ट करो इफेक्ट मसाद ये लिख लिए, इंटरडिविजन मेथड यानी तरकीबी तकसीमी तरीका अप्लाई करें, इनके जरियों को कॉपी करें। 1 minus 4, यहाँ पे x क्यूब का टर्म नहीं है, 0 plus 3, then minus 4 plus 6, माइनस 3 था तो प्लस 3 लिखिए, 0 लिख दिए। 1 minus 0, 1, 1 से इसको जरब दिए, 1 3 is 3, right? So minus 4 plus 3 is nothing but minus 1. Minus 1 is multiplied with 3, minus 3, 0 minus 3 is equal to minus 3. minus 3 से इसको ज़रब दिए minus 9. 3 में से 9 माइनस करो तो minus 6 आया. 6 3 is again minus 18. minus 18 minus 4 होगा minus 22. minus 22 को 3 से फिर ज़रब दिए तो आ गया minus 66. 6 में से 66 माइनस करो तो आंसर क्या आता है 60, राइट. उसके बाद फिर क्या करेंगे, एक लकीर खींच के यहाँ पर फर्स्ट 0, 1 में से 0 माइनस करे 1 आया, फिर 1 से 0 को ज़रब दिए 3, राइट. minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 2 आया. 2 3 is 6. 6 में से 3 गया तो 3, 3 3 is 9, 9 में से 6 गया तो 3, फिर 3 3 is 9, 22 में से 9 गया तो आंसर आ गया minus 30. ओके, देन अगेन हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन ड्रा करके यहाँ 0 लिख दिए. 1 minus 0 1, 1 3 is 3, 2 plus 3 5, 5 3 is 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 3 is 54, 54 plus 3 is 57. फिर नीचे यहाँ 0 लिखिए. 1 minus 0 1, 1 3 is 3, 5 plus 3 8, 8 1 is 8 3 is 24. 24 plus 18 is nothing but 42, right. फिर अगेन देखिए क्या करें, 0 लिख दिए. 1 minus 0 1, 1 3 is 3, 8 plus 3 7. So all the terms are over. So you have to write the answer from the down नीचे से कोई था, ठीक है. यहाँ से ये फर्स्ट f of x is equal to यहाँ पे क्या है 1 है, तो x to the power ये क्या है x to the power of 5 के करीब को बन जाता है. दैट इज x to the power of 5 plus 7x to the power of 4 plus 42x cube plus 57 square minus 13x minus 60 is equal to 0. The next question is also very important. This was asked a number of times in the previous examination. Solve the equation. Solve. Maybe a long question. Solve x to the power of 4 plus 10x cube plus 26 x square minus 10x plus 1 is equal to 2. So solution given equation is f of x is equal to the power of 4 minus 10x cube plus 26x square x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here this is a even degree polynomial, even degree reciprocal equation of class 1. So this is even degree reciprocal equation. There is even degree reciprocal equation of class 1. Of class 1. So what we have to do, we have to divide the equation throughout by x square. Okay. Now I am naming this equation 1. Divide equation 1 both sides by x square. So this is nothing but x square minus 10 x to the power of 4 by x square minus 10 x cube by x square plus 26 x square by x square minus 10x by x square plus 1 by x square equal to 0. Right? So this gives me x4 by x square is x square, x cube by x is nothing but 10x plus x square cancel 26, x cancel, that is minus 10 by x plus 1 by x square is equal to 0. Now what you have to do, collect the similar terms in one bracket. So this gives me x square plus 1 by x square in one bracket minus, if I take out 10 common, x plus 1 by x in another bracket plus 26 is equal to 0, right? You give this equation as equation 2, right? Now, let x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x is equal to y. So, if I squaring both sides, what happens? It is x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to y square, or not simplifying, this becomes x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 x into 1 by x cancel is equal to y square, or this gives me x square plus 1 by x square is equal to y square minus 2, right? So, it means that in place of x square plus by x square, I can use as y square minus 2. So, my equation 2 will be converted as, now you see, in place of x square plus y square, substituting in equation 2. So, x square plus 1 by x square is equal to y square minus 2 minus 10, x plus 1 by x is equal to y plus 26 equal to 0, y square minus 10y plus 24 is equal to 0. Now, what are the factors? 24 into y square is 24y square, minus 6y minus 4y is equal to minus 10y, 6 into 4 is 24. Therefore, this gives me y square minus 4y minus 6y plus 24 equal to 0. If I take out y common, y minus 4, if I take out 6 common, y minus 4, or this gives me y minus 4 into y minus 6 equal to 0, or y is equal to 4, 6. So, it means that I got two values for y. Now, if I take case number 1, if y is equal to 4, then what is this? X plus 1 by x is equal to y. Okay. Therefore, this gives me x plus 1 by x is equal to 4, or x square plus 1 by x is equal to 4, or x square plus 1 is equal to 4x, or x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here, direct factorization is not possible. Therefore, I am using that minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a formula. Therefore, this gives me x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2 into a. Okay. A is equal to 1, b equal to minus 4, c is equal to 1. Minus b means plus 4 plus or minus b square minus 4ac, which gives me 4 plus or minus 16 minus 4 is equal to 12 by 2, or which is equal to 4 plus or minus 12. 12 के factors होते 4 3 का 12. 4 can be written as 2 root 3 by 2, or 2 will cancel. So, which gives me x is equal to 2 plus or minus root 3. So, these are the two roots of the equation, right? Now, what is the case 2? Case 2 is if y is equal to 6, then x plus 1 by x is equal to 6, or this gives me x square plus 1 by x is equal to 6, or x square plus 1 is equal to 6x, or square minus 6x plus 1 is equal to 0. Again, here also factorization is not possible. So, we are using that minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a formula, which gives me x equal to minus b, right? Minus become plus or minus root of b square minus 4 AC divided by 2A. So which gives me 6 plus or minus 36 minus 4 by 2, or 6 plus or minus 36 minus 4 is equal to 32. 32 can be written as 16 to the 16 to the can be written as 4 root 2. So this is 4 root 2 by 2. If I divide throughout the equation by 2, this gives me 3 plus or minus 2 root 2. So these are another pair of roots. Therefore, this is my conclusion. Roots are, what are the two roots? First is 2 plus root 3. Second one is 2 minus root 3. Third one is 3 plus 2 root 2. And 3 minus 2 root 2. Right? So these are the 4 roots of the given equation. Right? This type of question is also very important. This here I have discussed class 1 equation, given degree. One more question you can do, odd degree equation, right? And class 2 equation is also there. So there are 4 questions in this exercise. They are very important. You go through all the questions, right? Now just I will explain once again. क्या दे दिया? चौथी डिग्री की कसरत की मसावत दिया था, इसको हल करना था. तो हम क्या बोले? दी हुई मसावत क्या है? fx इक्वल टू x4 माइनस 10x क्यूब प्लस 26x स्क्वायर माइनस 10x प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. ये क्या है? चुप्स दर्जे की मखलूब मसावत है पहले क्लास वाली, राइट? तो क्या करें ऐसे वक्त में, क्या करना, एक्स स्क्वायर से क्या करना, मसावत को तकसीम करना, दोनों तरफ एक्स स्क्वायर से तकसीम करे. तकसीम करके क्या करें, पेयर वाइज बना दिए. एक्स प्लस 1 बाई एक्स आ गया, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 बाई एक्स स्क्वायर आ गया, प्लस 26 इक्वल टू, इसका नाम मसावत 2 बोले. हम क्या बोल रहे हैं, फर्स्ट करो एक्स प्लस 1 बाई एक्स इक्वल टू वाई सपोज करे, दोनों तरफ स्क्वायरिंग करे. स्क्वायरिंग करने से हमको मसावत क्या है, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 बाई एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू वाई स्क्वायर माइनस 2y, राइट? तो लिया कि क्या करें, यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिए, तो बन गया वाई स्क्वायर माइनस 2 माइनस 10y प्लस 26 इज इक्वल टू 0, या वाई स्क्वायर माइनस 10y प्लस 24 इज इक्वल टू 0. ये 2 दर्जे वाली मसावत है. ये 2 रेशियो निकाल लिया है, तो रेशियो आ गए 4 और 6, राइट? अब सूरत नंबर 1, अगर y इज इक्वल टू 4 लिए तो x प्लस 1 बाई क्या था, 4 था. ये फिर 2 दर्जे वाली मसावत आई, इससे ये फैक्टर्स निकाल लिए, तो हमको क्या वैल्यूज आए, 2 प्लस और माइनस रूट 3. और अगर y इज इक्वल टू 6 लिए उसी सूरत में, तो हमको 2 दर्जे वाली मसावत आई, उससे हल करने से क्या रेशियो है, 3 प्लस और माइनस रूट 2. मुख्तसरन हमारे रेशियो क्या हो गए, 2 प्लस रूट 3, 2 माइनस रूट 3, 3 प्लस 2 रूट 2 एंड 3 माइनस 2 रूट 2. तो इसके साथ ही आज का सेशन हमारा यहाँ खत्म होता है. इंशाल्लाह फिर नेक्स्ट क्लास में मुलाकात होगी कोई और चैप्टर के साथ. तब तक के खुदा हाफिज. गो एंड प्रैक्टिस द क्वेश्चंस परफेक्टली. डोंट मिस एनी क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम दिस एक्सरसाइज. ओके, राइट. थैंक यू.